So next we're going to install the under sink water heater. We've been sent this by ThermoMate.com. They've asked us to collaborate with them, so we're really excited to try it. If you've watched our previous videos, you'll probably have noticed that our kitchen is very basic, which also means that we don't have any hot water here. And with winter fast approaching, doing dishes, it's not very nice. It's cold. The water's really cold at the moment. So we're really excited to try this.
I've even got some pink marigolds that I put on sometimes because it's that cold.
Yeah.
It's in front of you. So yeah, it's a 15 litre water heater. It's plug and play. So we're gonna get to it.
Let's go.
So we have instructions. Oh, very well packaged. Instructions, and it's an A rating.
That's really good.
Yep. It's got the blow-off valve, and if you wanted to hang it on the wall, you can. And the overflow tube. Oh, it's very small.
It's not very heavy.
No? Let's see. Oh no, not at all. Very light. First time I've ever seen a small boiler like this. So, what have we got? There we go. So it's got an energy efficiency.
Okay.
Maximum, and then if you just want to keep it cold. So you can set the temperature.
Oh, nice.
Which is good for us. You've got the cold water inlet, the outlet, and it's on 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch screws. So any flexible hoses will easily fit on that, no problem. So, should we get it in?
Let's get it in.
Let's do it. For the installation, at the moment all we have is a cold feed going to our tap. The hot feed was blocked off, but now we're going to need an extra feed from the cold water. One going directly to the tap, and then I'm going to use another tap to go directly to the boiler, which will fill the boiler, and then the hot water can come back up into the tap through the other hose. Took me probably about 10 minutes finding all the bits, getting an extra tea, getting another tap ready, and now all I need to do is take this tap off and fit the new tap on, connect it all up and start running some hot water. I'm very excited. So first take the tap off like that, take the osmosis system off of there, always have a towel because you will get water. Pair of grips on the old pipe because ours is loose. Okay, now I'm connecting the 1/2 inch flexi hose to the tap. Go, and we're ready for the boiler. Got it. That's the cold feed. It goes straight on there. And the tap goes on there. And that's that. So I'm going to turn the water on. If I release that one, the boiler should start filling. That's the boiler going in there. And then if I turn that on to hot, that will just release the hot air, the air out of the system. So that's filling up now. It's only 15 litres, so it shouldn't take too long. I've got no leaks, any of this. I'm very pleased about that. No water there, and no water there. All dry. Now what we want to do is leave it off until it's full, and then we'll put it on eco. Yeah, it's getting heavy now. So we're now full of hot water. Okay, and then we can turn it on. Now the light's on, it's heating. So now it's just a case of waiting until it's hot.
How exciting.
How exciting. There we go.
So the boiler's turned itself off. We had to set our eco setting, so it's off, the water should be hot. Let's do a test. So nice. It's really hot. That took the boiler 15 minutes to heat. It's used about 500 watts of energy, and that is amazing for us because we rely on solar panels, so heating up that quick is just amazing. And yes, we're very happy, so thank you very much ThermoMate for reaching out to us. Really appreciate it. Come and try the water.
Yeah, that's hot. I'll do the washing up. That's brilliant.
Really happy.